Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I am doing a really fun Dollar Tree skincare related video today. I'm going to be testing out from the Dollar Tree these Select Lash precision trimmers for shaving eyebrows. So basically these are just the little dermaplaning razors, and if you guys don't know what dermaplaning is, I've talked about it a bunch of times here before on my channel, but basically it's the process of not only removing hair from your face, any peach fuzz, but also exfoliating your face and getting off the dead skin. It's kind of multi-purpose and there's a lot of great benefits to doing dermaplaning. So you guys know I've been doing a bunch of Dollar Tree shopping videos, so I want to start testing out all the products and seeing how they are. If you guys want to find out how I dermaplane my face with these little razors, how I get rid of peach fuzz and dead skin, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet and hit the little notification button down below and you will not miss out on any future videos. I'm doing tons of shopping videos, Dollar Tree videos, just really affordable beauty is going to kind of be what my channel focus is going to be. So let's get into it. So I do dermaplaning a few times a week because I'm Italian. You know, if you are Italian or you have just a lot of hair. So I get here, I get here, I get it. This I have to do this probably every 3-4 days. I'm not a fan of waxing because I don't like pain. I've done threading in the past, super painful, so I'm always looking for the least painful way. Please be careful with these because it is a blade and you can cut yourself, especially when it's a fresh blade, so go slow. So these I think are new to Dollar Tree because I had never seen them there before. The brand is Select Lash, and I did look up some reviews on these before and they have great reviews. A lot of people use these. And if you guys want to skip ahead to me actually dermaplaning, I will put a timestamp down below when I start. But I just want to give you guys a couple more benefits of dermaplaning just so you know how good it is for your skin. So one of my favorite things is that when you exfoliate your skin with the dermaplaning tool, it's going to make your skin so much smoother, and because of that, skincare products, especially those really expensive products we use from Drunk Elephant and Paula's Choice, all those products and the ingredients are going to penetrate your skin and work better and more effectively. That's why dermaplaning is awesome. And also, I like having a smooth face. I don't like having any hair on my face. Your foundation go on so much smoother. A lot of people have concerns about acne with dermaplaning. For me, I don't really have any problems with it. Sometimes I'll get a couple bumps, but it's not bad enough where I would be like, oh man, I'm just gonna stop and let the hair grow on my face. For me, it's worth it to have my smooth face, and maybe I'll get a bump or two. Once you start doing it more often, I feel like your skin kind of gets used to it. Another question people always ask me is, does your hair grow back darker? So no, that's actually a myth. What it is that when you shave your face, it makes the hair more blunt. So it appears as though the hair is growing back darker, but that's not the case. It's not growing back thicker. It's just the appearance of the hair when it's shaved down. To start, you always want to have some sort of oil on your face. So Dollar Tree does sell face oils now by Bolero. I really love that brand. The only thing is that those have mineral oil in them, so I have really sensitive skin and mineral oil breaks me out. I know some people are fine with it, and I know a lot of people have used the face oil from Bolero and been fine. My doorbell rang because I have someone fixing my car right now, and I totally forgot what I was saying and lost my train of thought. So since I'm not going to use the Bolero facial oil, however, you can definitely pick that up. There's a couple different scents. I'm going to use one that I already have. It's from Julep and it's called Love Your Bare Face Hydrating Cleansing Oil. So you always want to use a cleansing oil before you go in with the razor. Do not do dermaplaning or shaving your face on a bare face, you guys. You're gonna cut yourself, you're gonna hurt yourself, and you're gonna be all cut up, and you don't want to ruin your beautiful faces. So make sure you have an oil on. There's also coconut oil. You can use that. Just emulsify it and then put it on your face. I used it before and it works really well if you want to utilize something you already have. Laser looks like up close so you guys can see the little blade. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some oil to my face. And I know it sounds really weird to add an oil to your face, but if you have oily skin, it works really well for cleansing. This area I have to do too, the infamous Italian mustache we have to do. I'm gonna go on my forehead, even though there's no hair on my forehead, but just for the purpose of exfoliating. I'm gonna go ahead, you can go like this, but for me, I like to have a little more, what would the word be? Something else to kind of glide with the razor, so that's why I add the water. All right, so let's start on this side and just go really slow. I like to go in a downward motion like this. And then I also go up. And then here's an area too, right under the lip. Just go very gently. And I stay really away from this area. You don't want to go close to your eye. That's really sensitive. And then I go around here. And I don't go up here too much because that's getting into your hair. But you can go like right below it. And you'll see as you glide down your face, you'll see the hair start to come off. Like you'll even see it start collecting on your face. It's really cool to watch and see it all come off. The little hair is kind of collecting on here too. So what I like to do is I have my little bowl of water here. And I just go in and I dab my razor in there to just get it all the hair off. So I'm just focusing on this side, and then you can also go up here by the brow because these are really good for the brows, but just be so careful because you can do some damage that you might not want to do. If I see any little strays, just because I have a very large brow, I kind of have hairs that go up here. I'm going down this area. I don't know if it will pick up on camera, but okay, I'm gonna work on this area, which is definitely one of my trouble spots, which I'm sure you guys have this too if you have dark colored hair. So I just added more water and I'm gonna go up. I like to go against the green. So these hairs are definitely more coarse, so that's why I like to go against the grain. I go up here. Little tiny micro cut that happened right there, but it happens. It's not a major deal. Working just as well as my Tinkle razor. I just think this one has a little less surface area, like the blade is a little bit shorter than those. I have the Tinkle, that's what I usually use, but I wanted to give these a try for this video, and I think they're actually doing a great job. And if you have a lot of whiteheads like on your face, I don't know if I would do this. I think it's good to go over acne with the razor. That's why I like avoided that guy right there. So just be mindful. Oh yeah, I just got off a ton of hair there went on. I wish I could show you guys, but this lens doesn't like have a zoom. So the whole face I try and do every like 2 to 3 weeks, but this area I definitely have to do more often, like once a week. I didn't know what to expect. I was hoping they wouldn't like tear up my face because I've used a lot of razors, so I know which ones are good and which ones aren't good. I've used some that are not good, but these are working well, really well compared to other ones that I've tried. I'm just gonna go on my forehead, which is more gonna be for like exfoliating skin. And then also right in between here. Unibrow, just be super careful again with your eyebrow area. I know people who have like trimmed off their brow. So another area that I like to do is along the jaw. You do have to be careful because obviously it's like, it's not a flat surface like your cheek. It's kind of rounded, so you do have to be careful over there. I'm just kind of working in sideways motions. So I think that is good for the face. I feel like I got all the areas I wanted to get and it feels really smooth. So I'm just gonna go to my bathroom and wash off the rest of the oil and just wash my face really quick with a cleanser, and then I will come back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just finished washing off the oil. One thing I want to tell you guys too is when you're done with the razor, wash it off with some water, and then what you want to do is just take a paper towel or a washcloth and just make sure you tap this completely dry. Don't just wet it and then put it back into the protector cap. Make sure you dry it off because you don't want it to rust. I find that happens pretty often and quickly with these little razors. Overall, I would say I really enjoyed using these. They were really easy to work with. I feel like it got off the hair, did a really nice job. I'm feeling my face, it feels really smooth. I was kind of up close inspecting the one area where it didn't fully get as well as my Tinkle razor would be this area right here in the upper lip area. I do see a couple hairs that it missed. So I would say these are probably a peg below the Tinkle, but if you just want something cheap, you don't want to order off Amazon, I think these are great. I will definitely continue to use these. I read somewhere that they go dull quicker than other ones. I'll definitely have to see. Obviously this is my first time using them, but I'll let you know about that if it does go dull quicker than other razors. You are at the Dollar Tree and you want to kind of start dermaplaning. Just make sure, like I said, you're using an oil, wet your skin. You can use those facial oils from the Dollar Tree, but overall I think it did a really nice job. I cannot wait to put foundation on and see how smooth my skin looks, and it just looks really nice and no peach fuzz. So that is it for this Dollar Tree dermaplaning video. I hope you guys found these tips helpful. Let me know if you guys are going to see if you can find these at your store. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down below if you're going to try out dermaplaning, and I will see you guys in my next video.